Hello, Bridget Bartlett here with my Vision Agency, and today I want to walk you through the automations that we're going to build for our website landing page that we've created to invite people to our free community. Now, obviously, to invite someone to a free community on your website, you need to have the community. So I'm going to go ahead and go into the website builder, and you can see that we have the community funnel that we've been working on. Now, I did add a thank you page. A thank you page is really important because you want to be able to track conversions. It's a great way of doing that. Also, you can send other emails and ensure that their email system knows that your emails are important, and it will more than likely end up in their inbox in future emails. Okay, so we have the home page and the thank you page. Now, the next thing that we need is the form. So we want to create our forms in the sites area in the forms section. I'm just going to click create new. And let's go ahead and give our form a name. And we can remove these things only because I'm going to make this super simple. And we're just going to collect the first name and the email address. And we can change the text here. Let's change the color. Just making this very, very basic. We can even remove this here and save. Now, when you create a form, you can choose the option to send a message. You can send them to another URL, or you can have an order confirmation message. However, I really like to do this at the funnel level. So I'm just going to leave that as is and save. Now, the next thing that we need is obviously to create our group. Now, it's really easy to create a group. You can just click here, create a group, fill out the information there. But I already have one created. So let's just go ahead and click here. You can see once you create the group, you can go into the settings. You'll see the group details here. You can make it public or private. You can create a switcher if you have multiple groups. You can create a subscription here. You can set up all your branding. You can access the themes, membership questions, gamification, and rewards. You can add custom links there. Check on your reported content. You can import group members and their content, and you can make your group discoverable in the collab network. Now, the cool thing too is you can click here to grab the invite link. And when you share this invite link, it is going to invite someone to the free community inside your client portal. If you just share your client portal link, they're going to register in the client portal and then show up in your contacts, but they're not going to have access to this. You have to share the invite link to your community for them to access that. Now, we could add this link to our community landing page, and then it would go to that button, and then it would go right here where they could register. But if we really want to track those conversions, it's better to send them to a thank you page. Okay, so now the next thing that we need to address is the client portal emails. Now, remember, the community groups are part of the client portal. So we want to make sure that we have this set up correctly, because right now, when we grant access to someone in the community, it's going to trigger the emails to be sent out by default. So you can see the default email here. Now, if you want to change this email, you can do that in the marketing tab, and you can select your template here that you want to use. However, if you want to customize the email that goes out for every group or every offer that you have, you want to do that at the workflow level. And you want to make sure that these are turned off, because you don't want duplicate emails going out to them. So it's really your choice how you want to set this up, but I wanted to show you multiple ways so that you can choose which one works best for you. So I'm going to go into the automations tab now. And you'll see that we have an automation set up here. And when the form has been submitted, our free community form, we are going to grant access to the group. So we want to choose our group here. And what we want to do here is we want to send them a custom email. So remember, we turned off those emails in the client portal setting. So now when we are granting access to our members, we need to make sure that we are sending the email in our workflows. So that's really simple to do. You just want to choose the email step, and you can add a custom value here. Hey, contact first name, and then you can choose their email. And then you'll see this option here is the magic link to the client portal. So since we've granted them access when they have submitted the form, it's going to create a link. And when they click that link, it will automatically log them in. So let me delete this. And I just want to show you how easy it is to add these custom values. So I've typed in URL, and I'm going to go up here to custom value, and I'm going to scroll down to client portal contact. And then you can click here to add that custom value for the magic link. Now, of course, you can add any other content that you want in this email, but these are the important parts that you want to add: their email and then the URL to the client portal. So I'm going to save the action there. Now, you may also want to add notes to the profile, granted access to the free community, so you can look back in the history and see what day and time that happened. You may also want to add tags to this workflow here so that every time you pull up a profile and you see this tag, you know that person came in through this workflow here. Now we need to go back to the funnel because we haven't set up the action yet in our funnel. So I want to click here to go edit it. Okay, now if we click in the button and we scroll down, you'll see that this is set to a pop-up. Now, if I wanted to just send them to the invite link, I would just paste that invite link here. But I want them to fill out a form, and then I want to send them the access already. So I don't want them to register with the invite link. I want them to register in the form, and then I will grant them access in my workflow that I created, and then I will send them that magic link, right? So I'm going to choose pop-up. And of course, now we need to edit the pop-up. So I'm going to click here, and you can type in some text like join our free community today. We want to select the form that we created. So now here's our form, and we want to choose what's going to happen when they submit the form, because remember, at the form level, we just left it at message. What we want is actually to send them to the next step. So remember, the next step is our thank you page. So now when they submit that form, it's going to go to this page here, and it's going to prompt them to check their inbox, spam, and promotions folder. Now, when they check their inbox, they will have the email that we sent here. They will also have notes in their profile. They will also have a tag in their profile as well. Now, if you have any questions at all about this, first of all, I'm going to put the link to the playlist of this whole series that we're working on in the description of today's video. You can also join me in open office hours. If you're a reseller in our program, you want to go to the community tab, the events calendar here, and you'll click on today's date to join me. If you're in our free community, you'll want to go into that event calendar, and you can click on today's date to join as well. If you're not registered in our reseller program or our free community, you can go to myvisionagency.com. You can sign up for the free community here. You can also sign up for HighLevel and get a free membership in our reseller program for using my affiliate link. Or if you're a current HighLevel customer, you can click here to join our reseller program directly. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in open office hours. Go make your vision a reality. Bye.